Hello everybody on YouTube. My name is Ty. In this video, we're going to tackle fixing my dripping faucet in my shower and tub. First thing you want to do is diagnose the problem. My particular problem is I have water dripping out of the faucet. However, my hot and cold are both fully off. So if you have water dripping out of the faucet and both your handles are off, then it's these handle related interior components. There's a cartridge in there and some O-rings and etc. However, if you are taking a shower and you have your stopper pulled up and then water's dripping out of the faucet while you're showering, then that's going to be the faucet itself, and you can replace that. They're about $20–25 at Home Depot for just a generic replacement faucet. My particular problem is it drips all the time. So off doesn't mean off. So I have a problem with my hot or my cold cartridge, and you won't know that until you get them apart. I recommend just replacing them in pairs. They're pretty inexpensive too, probably $20 to $30 depending on what brand you have. Mine are Gerber's. You're going to need a couple of hand tools to tackle this job. A flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a crescent wrench or channel locks, whatever you have available. Pretty easy, anybody can do it. So just watch the video in a couple minutes. You'll be able to tackle this yourself. Man, woman, child. Pretty easy stuff. Okay, the first thing you want to do is take your flathead screwdriver and pry off your cover to gain access into your Phillips screw. Take your Phillips screwdriver, lefty loosey, righty tighty. You just take that screw off and the handle will come out. I just keep the screw in there. Now the next step is you want to take this beauty ring off. Again, lefty loosey. You have this plastic poly threaded coupling. Just want to get that off. Sometimes it unscrews with the handle or the beauty ring. Sometimes it'll come off in one piece, but two pieces is fine. This is the cartridge we're talking about. You have one in both, your hot and your cold. Like I say, pretty easy. You can put your channel locks, or you can get the right size wrench. I have a crescent wrench available. We're just going to get on that. And they're just snugged up. So once they're firm, you just want to go like a quarter of a turn. So you have a O-ring on the threads, then an O-ring on the cartridge itself, a little seal. And that's exactly how we're going to put the new one back on. Okay, so I have the new one here. I'm going to put the little rubber O-ring on. Again, righty tighty, that's snug. I'm just going to go a little bit more. That's pretty good. So we just replaced the cartridge. DIY project. I think they were $22 for my Gerber set. Next is the plastic poly threading. Again, hand snug. Your beauty ring. and you really feel it draw everything together. Again, hand tight, just snug it up. Remember, I left the screw inside the handle. What I do is I go ahead and get my Phillips screwdriver set in the screw, and then it's real easy to find it then. Snug that up, and you take your little beauty cover, and that's it. Just going to repeat on the other side. They're identical components. One's marked hot, one's marked cold. So we just finished the project. I don't have any leaks on my end. I hope this video helped you guys do it yourself and save the cost of a plumber. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel. We're going to have all different types of videos, DIY projects, financing and investing. Just really my background poured onto my YouTube channel. So we got more to come. Thanks again. My name is Ty.